Dear children, let me move on to the next topic, that is pictograph, that is data handling and pictograph. Okay, our topic is that is pictograph. Okay, so we can derive the answer from this term, that is picto, that is pictures. Okay, so in this example we are explaining that is the collected datas are represented as by, that is pictures. Okay, sometimes we have, if we collect datas in the numbers or if they are in larger number, okay, we can use pictures to explain the terms, that is called pictograph. Okay, what is meant by pictograph means usage of pictures to explain the datas. Okay, that is called pictograph. Okay, let me do example sum. Okay, I am going to write one question and the explanation datas. That is in one school, that is a standard 4th standard school students who are attending summer camp, okay, for different activities. Okay, so let me write the activities taken by the students during their summer camp and the activities done by the number of students and by representing the pictures. Okay, let me do with example. So I am going to write the question, that is 4th, okay, 4th standard students in one school, okay, attending activities. Okay, they are attending, okay, attended activities. I am going to write this topic a little more high, and that is attending activities, okay, during their summer camp. During their summer camp. Okay, we are going to put a table for this. That is the first one, that is a serial number and the activity done by the, taken out by the students, and the number of, okay, number of students, okay, and this one is a total. Okay, we are going to prepare a table for this sum, and let me make a questions and discuss the answer later. Okay, and this is our table. Okay, the first one is a serial number, okay, and that one is an activity, okay, and the number of students, and this will be the total. Okay, and the pictograph representation I will show here. That is the first activity, that is a serial number, that is doodling. Doodling means a kind of artwork, okay, that is doodling. Okay, and second one, that is martial art, and third one, that is swimming, okay, and fourth one, that is skating, and fifth one, that is singing. Okay, and number of students here, that is here you have to represent the one picture, okay, some more to show, that is a smiley, okay, and each smiley has it represent, that is number of 10. Okay, here that is doodling. Okay, I am going to number of students by explaining the diagrammatical representation for doodling. Okay, okay, and that is a martial art, that is okay, and for swimming, okay, and that is skating, okay, and singing, Okay, now we are going to calculate the each, that is a smiley figure. It represent, that is number that is it takes the value of 10. Okay, each smiley it values 10. So you have to put, that is 10 plus, that is a 10 into 2. Okay, that is total is 20. Okay, and here each values 10. So that is 5 into 10. Okay, that is here 2 into 10. Okay, here 5 into 10, that is 50. Okay, and here that is 3 into 10. Each values 10. Okay, that is 3 into 10, 30. And here again that is 2 into 10, that is 20. And here singing, that is 1, that is 1 into 10, that is 10. Okay, that is the total of, so students, that is a doodling art taken by the students, that is 20, and martial art taken out by the students number, that is 50, and swimming that is taken out by 30, and skating that is taken out by 20, and singing, that activity is taken by only 10 students. Okay, these are the datas. Okay, we are going to explain the all the datas by simply, that is a diagrammatical representation of this smiley figure. Okay, and let me discuss. Okay, again that is a how many students, or that is a higher, that is a more number of students participated in which activity. Okay, that's the question. Our first question, that is how many more students taken part in the which activity. That is the number of students taken as a 50 is a more value. Okay, that's a martial art. So that is our answer for more students participation. Okay, I am going to write here the answer, that is more students participation. More students participation, that is the number of, that is 50, it denotes the activity, that is martial art. Okay, so that's the answer, martial art. Similarly, the second one, the number of students in less, which activity it takes less number of students, that means the number that is 10, it denotes the singing activity. Okay, so the second one answer, that is a less students that took participation in the singing activity. So in which activity means, that is a singing activity, that is a less students, that is less students, that is which activity, that is singing. Okay, and third one, of which activities are, that is a same value of students. Okay, here that is a 20, that is a number of students taken part, that is here 20, and another one also 20, that's a equal amount of participation of students. Which activities means, that is doodling and skating. Okay, that is a equal parts of participation, that's a equal participation, equal participation, that is the activity, that is doodling and skating, because it has the same value 20 and 20. So doodling and skating is the answer, that is doodling and skating. Okay, so this is a pictograph. Okay, that is a picture. By showing pictures, we are discussion about the data by giving the picture representation, that is called pictograph. Okay, this is a easy method for taken up each picture has some value. So simply you have to calculate the number by the each value. You can add on the number, bigger number, you can find out the answers easily. And you can find out the total number of students took part in the summer camp activities. You can simply add the number, that is all this 0 and 5 to 7, 10, 12 and 13. So this is a easy way to take up the total by simply adding the representation, pictorial representation. So the total number of students that took part in the summer camp activities, the total students was, that is 130. So this is a technique to explain the pictograph. Okay. So thank you.